Hi everyone, today we will be discussing all about lateral areas and volumes of prisms. So let's have a look at what's in store for us for today. For our learning objectives, we will be illustrating the formulas of the lateral areas and volumes of prisms, as well as apply the formulas in different fields and compute for the lateral areas and volume of prisms. Now, when we say lateral area, we already knew that this is the sum of all the areas, di ba? So, na-discuss na natin yun before. So for today, let's have a deeper look on lateral area. Okay? Now, when we say lateral area of a prism, it is defined as the perimeter of a right section multiplied by the lateral edge, or it could be the perimeter of the base times the altitude. Now, let's check naman about what is Cavalieri's theorem. So, Cavalieri's theorem kasi is all about volumes naman. So, kung kanina we discuss about the area, ngayon naman is we will focus more on Cavalieri's theorem. So, kapag sinabi nating Cavalieri's theorem, so let's check the definition for that. So, if there are two solids na may base in parallel planes, so we know that in parallel planes, no two points meet. So, parallel yun. And equal sections are always formed by any plane you pass by. Basta parallel siya. Okay? Then, the solids have equal volumes. So, paano ba natin i-illustrate siya? So, para siyang ganito ang itsura. So, let's move this paliitin natin. So, sabi, for example, meron ka dyang rectangular. Yan. Diba sabi, parallel. Parallel yung bases. Yan. So, sabi, kapag equal yung sections niya, ano nga ulit yung sections? Yung may dadaang plane. So, sabihin natin may section na nabuo dito. So, yan. Yan yung section nyo. Yung solids between them have equal volumes. Okay? So, ito, at saka ito, equal lang yung kanyang volume. So, yun po ang definition ng ating Cavalieri's theorem. Now, when we say volume naman of a prism, it is equal to the product of its base and altitude. So, yung base na tinutukoy natin, ito is ito yung base, at ito naman yung altitude. Okay? So, I hope na naliwanagan kayo. Now, let's try to have a sample problem for the lateral area. So, here, it says that we have to find the total area ng isang right prism nyo with the lateral edge of 16 cm and whose base ay isang rhombus na may diagonals naman na 6 cm at saka 8 cm. So, drawing natin yung figure. So, sabi dito, yung base nyo is a rhombus. So, drawing tayo dito na rhombus. So, I hope tandaan nyo pa kung ano rhombus. At yung rhombus na yon ay may diagonal na 6 cm at saka 8 cm. So, sabihin natin na meron kayo dito 6 cm. And here, we have naman 8 cm. And meron kayo right prism na may lateral edge na 16 cm. So, drawing naman natin dito yung inyong lateral edge. At ang sabi, 16 cm daw ang kanyang sukat. Okay, so now we have a right prism. Now, let's take into consideration na yung diagonals ng rhombus nyo bisect each other. So, kung yan ay binisect, ibig sabihin, 4 ito at 4 din ito. So, midpoint kumbaga. Now, ilabas natin to. Magpapuko tayo ng figure. So, meron kayo dyang 3 cm at saka 4 cm. Now, makukuha natin yung x. So, try natin gamitin yung Pythagorean theorem. So, x is equal to square root of 3 cm squared plus 4 cm squared. So, ano kaya ang sagot? So, x nyo would be equal to 5 cm. Okay, so 3 times 3, that's 9. Plus 16, that's 25. Square root of 25 is 5 cm. Now that we know yung x, ito yung x natin, ang sunod natin gagawin is makukuha na natin yung perimeter. So, yung x natin is yung side ng rhombus nyo. So, paano ba makukuha yung perimeter ng base? So, kung x ito, and isa siyang rhombus, x din to, x din ito, as well as dito. So, ang perimeter ngayon natin is, makukuha natin P equals 4S, where yung S natin ay equal sa X. Kasi ito nga yun. So, P is equal to 4 times 5 cm. Makukuha natin yung P equal sa 20 cm. Now that we have the perimeter, makukuha na natin yung lateral area niya. So, pag sinabi nating lateral area, so anong sabi dun sa previous definition dito? So, sabi dyan, yung lateral area of any prism is equivalent to perimeter of the base times the altitude. So, this is yun sa right prism. So, lateral area ay equal sa perimeter ng inyong base times altitude or yung height. So, try natin i-solve. So, perimeter, which is 20 cm, times ano yung height niya? That is 16 cm. So, ang lateral area po natin is equal to 20 times 16 at ang makukuha nating sagot ay 320 square centimeter. So, ito po ang ating lateral area. Now, ang sabi sa problem is we need to find, ang kailangan natin kunin ay total area. So, paano nga natin i-compute ang total area? So, to compute for the total area, so we denote it by letter S, kung naaalala nyo pa. So, that would be sum ng lateral area nyo plus 2 times area ng inyong base. Okay? Now, ano nga ang ating lateral area? So, that's 320 square centimeter plus ang area ng ating base, which is a rhombus, ay equivalent naman sa, ano kaya ang formula? Kung natatandaan nyo pa po, ang formula ng ating area ng rhombus nyo na given and diagonal ay 1/2 d1 times d2. Now, substitute lang natin. So, that would give you 320 square centimeter plus 2 times 1/2 ng inyong d1, which is 6 centimeter times 8 centimeter. So, magka-come up kayo dyan ng sagot. Ang surface area nyo or total area would be equivalent to 368 square centimeter. At yan po ang inyong magiging final answer. Okay, so I hope this one is clear. Otherwise, please review yung formula natin for finding the area of a rhombus.